What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. So today's video, I want to answer mainly a couple questions and show you a couple products that I use. A lot of you guys ask me, Eddie, how in the heck do you keep all of your stuff you have that, looks just brand new? So every time, I take it to the desert or take the truck to the snow or anything like that, how do you clean it and make it look brand new? Honestly, it's very easy, guys, and I do have a lot of product, and honestly, all the product that you guys see here, I barely and rarely use all of the product that I have. Like for an example, the Can-Am. I had somebody comment and question on how, you take this thing to the desert, taking the sand, it gets filthy and dirty. How do you keep this thing clean? What soap do you use? Stuff like that. There's products out there that make, your vehicles and your toys shine like the shine that, these things have. And I'll show you the products, but it's not just about the products, it's you keeping up with it. So, don't just wash this one time and then, let it go for months and months and months. I keep up on my stuff. I continue to wash it, once I'm done using it. So it stays, I don't let it build up a huge amount of dust or let the paint on my truck get oxidized and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you some of the products that I mainly use and the products that I use, like for the tires, as you guys see here on the Can-Am. You guys may, why are they so shiny? Who the heck puts Armor All on the outside of the tire? Well, it's not an Armor All, and the reason why I put it is not just, of course, because it looks amazing, but also to protect the rubber. And same thing with the truck. I don't really put it too much on the outside of the tire on the truck. Obviously, I use the truck way more than I use the Can-Am, but the Can-Am sits for a while, and the rubber, what happens on these things is the rubber starts to deteriorate. Sometimes it cracks, sometimes it also comes apart. Now, with this plastic, you guys probably think, Eddie, you're an idiot. This stuff is just, you're going to go in the sand and it's going to stick on the sand. The sand's going to stick to the plastic, or the sand is going to stick to the tires. It actually doesn't. If you guys have seen some of my videos and my Instagram posts, when I post this thing that's in the desert, people tell me, do you wash this thing out there? No, I don't. The sand just does not stick. And a specific product that I have been using also for the Duramax, this plastic trim right here, to keep these shiny and not dull. Same thing up here, this plastic piece here, the plastic pieces around there, the bottom pieces on these, the mirrors, everything. A lot of these trucks, everything, Ford, Dodge, GM, they have a lot of plastic on them. Just, a little trim, and you want to keep this trim as shiny and as clean as possible, even though, I got like a little scrape right here, scuff, right there, but still, I want it to stay, clean and shiny. Also for the paint, to get this paint to shine and stay glossy. Again, you have to keep up on the maintenance. It's work, guys. It's work to keep these things clean. You don't just, use them and that's it. You're good to go. No, it's work. So now I'm going to show you guys some of the products that I use. And before I show you guys these products, I want to give a huge shout out to Isaac, Lindsay, and Nicholas. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I'm so glad you guys are enjoying the videos, and I appreciate you guys' support. It means a lot to me. Now, if you guys watch my videos, you guys see all the products here, and a lot of you guys ask me, Eddie, does it really take, this much product to keep your stuff clean? Honestly, guys, no, it does not. It all depends on what I'm doing. So, the main thing I get asked from you guys, and a lot of DMs and questions and how and what do you use, is how do you keep the plastic on everything you have so shiny and so clean, continues to look brand new? Well, honestly, guys, and you guys know I'm a huge Adams fan. I have nothing against the Adam product. I used to use this VRT, the vinyl and rubber trim right here. I don't know if you guys can see that there. There you go. I used to use that a lot. But I have found a new product. And again, not saying this product is bad, but the problem with this product right here is when you put this product on plastic and you go, to the desert, or you go drive your truck around and you take your finger and, you do this, it's full of dirt, debris, everything's stuck to it. Same goes for the razor. I wish, and I'm going to see if I still have the photo, my cousin, when he did it on his Can-Am, put that stuff on it, and as soon as he hit the sand out in the desert, the stuff literally stuck to the plastic of his car. I mean, the whole car went from black to brown. So again, the VRT, I'm not saying it's a bad product, but to, you know, if you don't want it sticking to it, I would not use VRT. And I'm going to show you guys the new product that I have found. I've actually been using them for, I want to say it's been 5 months now. I actually first saw them at Halloween, on Halloween weekend out in Glamis for Camp RZR. And I'm sure you guys have seen, you know, their posts on Instagram, and they're getting pretty big. I'm not sure, maybe they are, or maybe they're already big. I don't know. This is the first time I heard of them was at Camp RZR. But the product is called Renegade. This is the product right here. As of right now, guys, and I've been using this product is working freaking amazing. You know, this spray wax, it is honestly, like, it's really thick. There is, when you spray this on the truck or anything painted or you know, you want shiny, you literally see wax comes out of it, and it's a thick coat. It goes on good, and it wipes right off. It does not leave, you would think, yeah, it's a lot of wax and it's going to leave a streak. Well, this truck, you know, I wiped it down with this Renegade product, and I mean, you tell me. I don't know if you guys see any streaks or anything there, and it's a very simple step and procedure. There is not like a crazy step to do or to use this product. All I did was spray it on the truck and wipe it with a microfiber towel. I mean, and clearly you guys see there's no streak marks or anything at all. And I like that it's, you know, it's thick. You can see the wax. So when you spray this on a black car, this thing is white. So that's what I like about it, is the product doesn't seem like, you know, it's so watered down, or, you know, they're just giving you the bare minimum. Now, for all my plastic that you guys see on the Can-Am that, you know, is shiny, and also on the truck that is shiny, is right here. This same company, the Renegade, but it is the rubber and vinyl and plastic. This stuff right here, it's not as waxy, I should say, or not as thick. But I don't know how they do it or what they use on this product. But this product, literally, here, I don't know if you guys can read this. This product, literally, when it says anti-static, it really is anti-static. You know, nothing sticks to it. You can take sand and throw it on the plastic, and the sand literally will hit and fall off. It will not stick to the plastic. Now, yes, of course, the product gets dusty, the truck gets dusty, all the stuff gets dusty, but it does not, you know, when you put that stuff on there, it's not going to stick on here. Same goes with the tires. I don't put Armor All on these tires right here. On the truck, yes, I put actual Armor All on, but on these tires, I don't put Armor All. I put this stuff right here, the vinyl and plastic, and it works, I mean, amazing. I mean, you guys see here. And reason why I put it on the tires is, number one, of course, you know, we're going to take this thing back out to the desert. But the main reason is, when I go take this back out to the desert, this will not have sand just full, you know, in the rim, in the tire. I don't know how it does it, but this stuff is not oily at all. It says here, you know, water-based with UV protection. I don't know much about that stuff, but I know that for vinyl and plastic, this stuff works amazing, guys. I highly would recommend you guys purchasing this stuff. Right now, I only have this and their spray wax. I'm going to buy a lot more of their product and try it out, because I'm really happy with it, and it works really good. And again, I'm not making this video to bash on any company. All these products that I have, the Adams and the Lucas, they all work amazing. I'm just, you know, doing the video to answer questions you guys ask me. I have used a lot of product in the past and been, you know, testing products in the past, and they're all working similar, but as of right now, the two main companies that I'm most happy with have to be the Adams and this Renegade stuff. I'm going to purchase more from them. Like I said, only have these two, but I'm going to get a lot more from this Renegade company, and to try their products out to see how good it works and if they're consistent. You know, I like the detail spray because it's always consistent. It always, you know, works the same. There's some products you get where one day works good and the other day all of a sudden it doesn't work as good. Now, how I apply everything, like to the tires, I just use these brushes right here. This is for the truck for the tires, and this is for the Can-Am for the tires. This is just an extra one. And then this stuff also is for like cars, for the Hellcat, the Viper, if I'm doing the tires, smaller tires. This is just for the interior of the truck when I'm use the leather conditioner. What the heck's going on there? When I put some leather conditioner on it, I will use this one. But I mean, there you have it, guys. There's no real secret secret products really that I use right now. I will admit I'm using that Renegade product. I'm gonna get a lot more. I'm gonna try them out, get more deeper involved in them, because as of right now, their product is my favorite so far. And I even keep one of the waxes in my truck because it works so good. And let me know what you guys think about the product, and let me know if there's some of you guys out there that have used this Renegade product, because I can't find a lot of info on them, and I can't find a lot of people that have used the product, but I will tell you right now their product is working amazing for me. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.